How to leave a group chat in Line. In this video, I'll show you how to exactly leave a group chat in the Line app, whether you are done with the conversation or just need a break from all the messages. Let's jump right in. First, open the Line app on your phone and go to the chat tabs right here, tap on it. Now scroll through your list and tap to open the group chat you want to leave right here, tap on it. Once you are inside the group chat, tap the three horizontal lines right here in the top right of the screen, tap on it. Now here you can see leave right here, okay? Tap on leave. Now Line will ask you to confirm. Just tap leave to leave the group right here, tap on leave. Once you leave, you won't receive any more messages from that chat and you are no longer be listed as a member. Just heads up, other group members will see a small note that you left the group, but your previous messages will still remain in the chat history. And that's it. This is how to leave a group chat in Line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.